Downloaded 5 apps to learn English. You open one, then forget about it. Another one says speak like a native in 3 days, but it just makes you tap bubbles. So many tools, so little progress. But what if I told you there are English learning apps that actually work and some that might be wasting your time? In today's episode, we're uncovering the real truth about English learning apps, the good, the bad, and the overrated. Let's go! Welcome to English Express, the podcast where we make your English learning faster, smarter, and a little more fun. I'm Soy Kosel, your host, and today we're doing something many learners have asked for, a full review of English learning apps and tools, from speaking to listening, grammar to vocabulary. And joining me today is someone who's tested hundreds of these tools and actually knows which ones are worth your time. Today's guest is Davy, a tech reviewer and language app consultant who's worked with learners, teachers, and even developers of language apps. She helps people choose tools that truly support real progress and avoid the ones that just look pretty.
Hey, Kosel, it's great to be here. And yes, I've tested apps from A to Z. Some are amazing, and some are just gamified distractions. Today, I want to help your listeners find what really works, based on your level, goals, and time.
Let's start with the big one. Everyone talks about it, Duolingo. What's your take?
Duolingo is great for beginners who want to build a daily habit. It's gamified, fun, and helps with vocabulary basics. But here's the myth. It won't make you fluent. Tip: use Duolingo as your warm-up, but for speaking, you'll need more advanced tools.
So it's like going to the gym and only doing stretches. Good start, but not enough.
2 apps I highly recommend for speaking. Elsa Speak. It listens to your pronunciation and gives real feedback. Amazing for accents. HelloTalk. It connects you with real native speakers. You can chat, voice call, even exchange corrections.
That sounds powerful. Real feedback, not just guessing if you said it right. Any learner stories?
Yes. One of my clients in Vietnam used Elsa every morning for 10 minutes. After 3 months, she said her colleagues finally stopped asking, "Can you repeat that?" at meetings.
Listening is tough for many learners, especially with fast English. What do you suggest?
Skip the generic podcasts. Try BBC Learning English. They teach through storytelling, interviews, even dramas. And for visual learners, YouTube channels like Speak English with Vanessa or English Addict are gold.
Tip: watch with subtitles on, then rewatch with subtitles off. What about grammar? Most learners say that's their biggest fear.
True. For writing, Grammarly is fantastic. It shows your mistakes and explains why. For structured grammar lessons, I recommend EnglishPage.com. Totally free, clear examples, and quizzes.
Myth busting. Grammar isn't about memorizing rules. It's about patterns. Good tools show those patterns clearly. What about a tool that combines listening, reading, and vocabulary?
That would be LinkU. You read real stories and click unknown words to save and learn. Combine that with Anki, a flashcard app that uses spaced repetition, and you'll remember vocab for life.
Now the spicy part. Which tools should learners be careful with?
Good question. Avoid apps that just drill vocabulary with no context. If an app promises fluency in 7 days, run. Real learning takes time, but with the right tools, you go further, faster, and smarter.
Let's quickly review the top tools from today. Duolingo, great for beginners and habit building. Elsa Speak and HelloTalk, best for speaking. BBC Learning English, YouTube, powerful listening tools. Grammarly and EnglishPage.com for grammar help. LinkU and Anki for deep vocabulary and immersion. Watch out for apps with no feedback, promises that sound too good to be true. Use the app that fits your goal, not just what's trending. Davy, thank you so much for this amazing breakdown. You made the world of learning apps feel less confusing and a lot more exciting.
It was a pleasure. To all learners out there, your phone can be your best teacher if you use the right tools.
If today's episode helped you, take 30 seconds right now to follow or subscribe to English Express. Share this with a friend who's using apps to learn, or maybe one who gave up. Tell us, which app are you going to try first? I'm Soy Kosel, and remember, every small step in English is a big step in your future. Keep learning, keep believing, and I'll see you in the next episode.